Hello, hello, my friends. This is a very beautiful day, and I decided it will be the first day of my YouTube channel, of my YouTube course that I want to create for you about programming, how to learn to program in an easy way and with the help of artificial intelligence. I wanted to start on such a beautiful day to show you that there are a lot of myths around programmers and around programming as such. And one of them is that we are all night creatures, we are all vampires, and we don't like the sunlight. It's a beautiful day, as you can see around me. It's a beautiful October day. And I have the freedom to get out and not to be sitting next to the computer and really enjoying this beautiful day when it is. And that's one of the myths. And there are more. Of course, there are myths that programmers are not very social, that they are very closed and lonely, mostly introverts. Well, it definitely is not about me and many of my colleagues. I have to say, I was working in multiple projects, and in many of them I had really beautiful people around me. Of course, as with every creative process, you get some lonely time, and you get some time when you need to get the work done, and then you are on your own. But in general, then you are also working on the project with your colleagues, with really nice people around you, and that's definitely not true. That is very antisocial or not social at all. And the last thing that I want to revert the myth about is that programming is really, really hard. I believe personally that it can be explained in a very hard way, and a lot of people are doing so because maybe they don't think about how to explain it better. But I believe personally that there is a lot of progress that happened also in the last years, and that we can now explain programming and do programming in so many nicer ways that allow us to explain it also to the others, to the ones that have never touched it before, let's say, and that can be really happy to learn it in these times when we talk a lot about developer experience. On the other hand, I think programming or being a programmer has a lot of pros, so a lot of advantages. One of them is freedom. As you can see, it's a wonderful day and I'm out, and most of the companies are actually allowing you to work whenever and also wherever you want. So a lot of people that I know are working from home, doing the home office, including me, because I have kids and I want to spend a lot of time with them, and I want to be close and not spending my days commuting and being stuck in the office. So I do a lot of home office. However, a lot of companies have also the option to come in the office and basically enjoy the presence of your colleagues, having a lunch with them, chatting over a coffee about what you are doing, or just so. And that's a very nice combination that a lot of companies are actually offering these days. And I think there are not too many occupations that you can do that have these wonderful opportunities. Another big pro or advantage is that programming is actually a very creative thing, a very creative process. Of course, when you have a client and they do want you to do something, you should do what they tell you, right? And it can be also very creative, and it can be also very nice because you give your own ideas into what you are doing. But even more creative it is if you have your own idea or your friends have an idea, and you can simply bring it from having it in your head to the computer, to the mobile. You can have a mobile app that helps you in your everyday life. You can create a website that is helping you or your friends. And I mean, these are the media of today. It used to be paper, but now everything is on computer, everything is on mobile, and just having an idea about whatever, about yoga, about education, about whatever you like, whatever you think of. Your everyday life can be improved by an app that you create for you and your close ones. And of course, last but not least, it gives you financial stability, what is a really important point also in this world. And why I started this course, a friend of mine called me during summer and she told me, I want to become a software engineer. I didn't study it, I'm doing something completely different, but I would really like to do it. How can you help me? What can you do for me? And I was thinking and realized that actually this would be a really nice opportunity to create something that makes sense not only for me but for my close ones, for my friends, for my kids, for my sister, my niece, anyone who would like to learn something about programming and get the hands on pretty quickly, get it done and see something that is up to date, that is modern, that is using artificial intelligence in the background, could be really fun both for me and for the close ones that would like to see it. So this is my goal. Please stay tuned if you would like to know more and you would like to learn to program in a easy way. Let's hope I will manage to explain it in an easy way with artificial intelligence, with the tools that we do have today that are promising to have an intuitive approach to the programming, not with really heavily theoretical concepts, but really something practical that you can try and should be hopefully fun to work with. So please stay with us, stay with me, and enjoy the wonderful days that you have today and and tomorrow. Bye bye. I'm looking forward to see you again. Ciao.